These instructions are to help you install 360 Wave onto a John Deere MaxEmerge or ExactEmerge row unit that does not also include 360 Bandit. To begin, remove both gauge wheels and the right side opening disc. Remove the closing wheel assembly by removing the hardware and unhooking the spring, but retain the hardware for later use. Then remove the closing casting by removing the 2 bolts that secure it to the shank. Install the newly provided closing casting and secure it to the shank using the 2 bolts provided. Please note at this point, don't completely tighten the bolts as there might be some adjustment later that's required. Install the firmer onto the wave assembly by pinching the top of the firmer together and slide it into the firmer holder. Install the wave assembly on the closing casting using the provided hardware. 2 bolts will be inserted from the front and 1 from the back of the assembly. Please note, when installing and operating 360 Wave, the blade residue guard should sit flush against the seed tube protector. For the plumbing, route the 3/8 inch line through the hole on the row unit. Loosely place the hose clamp onto the hose and install the hose over the product tube that sits on top of the wave blade. Slide the clamp down over the hose and product tube and then tighten. If using an orifice, assemble the orifice into the rubber grommet. Place the orifice in the female quick connect cap, then twist the male quick connect fitting into place. Attach the plumbing assembly to the top of the 3/8 inch line, then secure the line to the row unit using zip ties as you see fit. You can reinstall the right side disc, and then both gauge wheels using the original hardware. Please ensure that the gauge wheels clear the wave assembly on both sides. It's possible the wave unit may need to be adjusted to be centered better between the 2 gauge wheels. Once in the correct position, completely tighten the 2 bolts that were previously left loose. Reinstall the closing system assembly by reconnecting the spring and then using the previously removed hardware to secure the closing system assembly to the closing casting. Once everything is secure, the installation of your 360 Wave is complete.